Hey guys, what's up? This is Yogesh with a new tutorial in SQL. So guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to make a table by using some SQL commands. Like we make table by using some basic SQL commands, and we insert the data into it, and also we make a full table of database of students. So look guys, let's start it without wasting any time. First of all guys, I will on the SQL Server 2014. So you can simply see that they have that database tab and reserve as query manager, SQL query editor. So you can simply I use test is my test database, which you can see there, and there is no table, so I can make it I can make table. So I will choose create table students. Okay guys, I will make a table like students, and I want to insert an id may be integer, and this may be integer and not null, because I don't want it a blank value. Next I will choose address. Sorry, before address I will choose name be varchar 20, and after that I will make I will also make it not null, because I don't want it blank. And next one is address. I make it a very simple table, like with only 3 fields, not more than 40 fields. That is not null. After that I will close it. The closing is most important part, because in C or C++ we have closed the functions or functions or variables. So as same in SQL, we have to close the function. Next we choose first run this command complete successfully, and this also command. Oh, incorrect error, because I make a mistake, like I have to make a comma, not semicolon. I forget it, and when I make it, so command complete successfully. Similar after, because I will show you the error. Why I show you the error? Because it's used for terminating the program. When I make it terminated, so the program ends here, not go, not after the termination. The next query was not go on the third line, but sorry, fourth line. But after using comma, the as well seems it has to be run the next line. So that's why I have used the comma preceding the semicolons. Next, simply the table has been ready, so we're gonna insert the data into it. So insert into students. Which one we want to add? ID, name, and address. Address values are simply, I can say simply like, if you want to add a numerical, so it is gonna be simple. But if you want to add name, so you must be a single semicolon, and name will be John, single semicolon, and also address may be California. Simply I am making a simple address, and after that you can simply copy it and paste it, and simply you can change the name like tree to making a Sam, and they live in Texas. Okay, then we have to make an insert. So one row effect, so the data has been added. If you want to see which data has been added, so you can simply go there, add your test and refresh it, and you can see the table has been created, a DB of students. After that, if you want to see your data, simply click select star from students, and by using semicolon, and you can get ID 23 John Sam, California, Texas. Simply, this is very useful command, which is used for making a tables. Like if you want to make more tables, so you can simply add columns and you can save the data into it. But if you are go for a industrial basis, so this simple command may be useful for you for creating a simplest and portable database. Next one, I can also show you something like if you want to delete a row or delete a row from the table, like simply click, you can simply delete the tables or rows, which I will tell you in the next videos. Like if I told you in this video, so it's maybe more complex to you. So you can simply, if you want to delete the table, so drop table students, and simply our table gonna be deleted. Command successfully. So simply, if I choose select from students nowadays, so invalid object name student, because the data has been deleted. When I refresh it, so you can see the data has been deleted. So guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please share with your friends. It's a basic, it is a very basic video. Like I just show you the how to make a table by using some SQL, also insert data, and also to delete the table. But in my next video, I will show you how to use conditions like where, if, and also and or. So you can simply make it complex, and you can choose, like if you want to choose a particular thing from a table, so you can simply use it. So guys, thanks for watching and have a nice day. Please subscribe for more videos.